Hi guys, beautiful day today. This is clearly one of my favorite days where it's sunny. It might be a little bit too hot today. It's gonna go up to 31 degrees. I'm gonna not try to edit this video too much because I'm quite busy and I got a full day to do. And one of the reasons why it's my favorite day is that I'm off. I don't have to run today. I don't have to visit anybody. I have a full day on my own to do putt-putt around the pond in my koi pond. So this is going to be one of my favorite days. And you'll hear a lot of pauses because mostly I'm thinking of what to say next. Okay, anyways, I'll turn you around and I'll show you what I'm gonna be talking about today. And I'm gonna be trying to shout a little bit because I noticed in some of my videos that the volume of my voice is not that clear. So it's a natural for me to like shout, but hopefully it'll come out clear. Okay, I'll just turn you around and that would be just one edit. And this is what I want to show you guys is the how my grapes has gone wild. There's so much this year. See? It's so nice. It seems my grape vine seems to be producing more and more fruits as the years go by. See that? And it goes all the way around my deck. So, and it's the grapes are turning red now. It's maturing. I hope you can see that with the background of sunlight there. But it's so nice, and it's so nice to see for real. I don't know if the video captures how magnificent it is. It gives you that French feel, having lunch out here or just relaxing out here, surrounded by grapes. I also want to show you this tool here in a minute. See, we'll just go around the grape vine. There's so many. And look at the shade that this grapevine produce. The koi are quite happy with the shade they're having now, or else it'll just be too hot for them. It's just too hot for me. Just standing here, I wouldn't be able to stand here for more than 5-10 minutes without getting burned. So that's quite an advantage of having this kind of shade on top of your pond. And plus you don't have the as much of the pH swings that comes with the growth of algae when there's a lot of light shining in your pond. And it keeps the water fairly clear. and the water parameters quite nice. So we'll just go around and have a look at the magnificence. There's so much. It must be so heavy too. But my wires are holding up. But you can tell it sags. Wow, just look at that. Oh, it's so hot. And this is what the trunk looks like. See how big that is? It's only gonna get bigger as the years go by. What I like about the grape vine, incidentally, I found out, you know, that they can survive more than 100 years. I think they can survive more than 300 years. So it'll be here long after myself has gone. And the trunk is nice. It's a beautiful tree. It's just a lot of work because they grow so much that you have to trim the they'll spread like crazy if you don't trim. A bit of work. Sometimes you don't have time to do it, and I dragged myself out here to cut the extra vines to control the growth. Last year, my daughter and I tried to make wine out of these. First of all, it's a lot of work. I'm not gonna do it again. Plus, my first try wasn't that successful. It tasted like vinegar. And I was the only one that's drinking it because I like the vinegary taste. But I think this year I'm gonna let the birds probably eat most of it and give some to my family and friends, bring some to work, because the later you harvest them, like in the fall, the sweeter they'll be, but also the less you'll harvest, because again the birds get to them first before myself. So I'll just show you guys the tool I was using. I'm making this bridge here so I can climb and reach the grapes easier without being afraid to fall, because the structure that I had on here was pretty rickety. So this will be my bridge. I'm going to try to cross this without falling. It's pretty solid now. This is called an oscillating tool. And I just started using this today to help build my bridge. And it's awesome. It cuts wood like butter. So what I'm using this for is to shape the legs of my bridge there so that it hugs the rock. For example, this one I'm going to build another footing here, but on this side. It'll be shaped like this, but it'll hug this rock more. It'll go on here for so that it'll be more steady. And yeah, and that's what I'm gonna be doing all day, and hopefully I'll finish this bridge today. And if I don't show you today what it looks like when it's done, I'll show you next time. All right. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye bye everybody. Take care.